All right, guys. Brian and I did a commercial job this morning. So I want to show you guys what we take with us on a commercial job so that we can handle whatever that we might face on a commercial job. So first I'm going to go up into Godzilla. One thing that we always will have is our RX-20 for the rotary extraction. Brian will give you a good shot of that. This is for heavily soiled commercial carpet. Plus RX-20 does a wonderful job on commercial carpet, gliding right over it without having to use a traditional wand on most areas. So we'll always take the RX-20. And today we had our hand truck and our portable wand that we use for the portable. We had a long pull, but we always got the portable just in case as a backup situation where we got to use an extraction and we can't reach it with the truck mount. Okay. Come out. We always have our carpet bag, and we always take a 175. You never know when you may need to bonnet a low pile commercial carpet. This is a great post machine to use as far as post bonneting. After you've done an extraction, great way to break the surface tension and get the carpets drier quicker, and also to pick up additional soil that might have been left on the surface. These are used, these have been washed. I wouldn't use these for just strictly bonnet cleaning, but just for post treatment, just to pull additional soil and to dry the carpet. So we always have a 175. And then, if you never know, RX-20 or the zipper. We'll take the zipper with us. It's a large open area. Well, I did an office, a few Saturdays ago with the zipper. Also did the golf club that we normally do with the zipper that I normally would wand it out, but I'm getting the hang of it, so I was able to zip around all the tables and everything. So sometimes I'll choose a zipper, and then we'll have an agitator, our Brush Pro CRB, with the brown brushes on here. And sometimes we'll put our trays on if need be. So this is what we normally would take on our commercial cleaning. And we'll have our ramp so we can load up everything. So we normally fill up Godzilla pretty good with our commercial cleaning. And just want to share it with you guys. Thanks.